In this video, I will be showing you what is ChatGPT and how to use it. Let's get started. I begin on the default main screen, where the central prompt area asks how it can help. Before diving into my main queries, I decide to look up some introductory details regarding what ChatGPT actually is. I use the web search interface to see that ChatGPT is an advanced conversational artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI, designed to understand natural human language and generate human-like responses. The search overview notes that the acronym stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, meaning it can create new content rather than just pulling existing web pages, and it utilizes a specialized neural network architecture to understand context. I also review its common applications, such as drafting emails, writing essays, coding, and brainstorming, which helps clarify how to frame my upcoming queries. Once I feel confident with the general parameters, I navigate back to the primary chat panel. I locate the settings icon in the bottom left corner and click on it, which expands the main account menu. From here, I select the personalization options to adjust how the system responds to my instructions. I click directly into the custom instructions field, add a detailed directive instructing the AI to behave as a patient and simple tech tutor who explains technical concepts using clear, everyday analogies, and then save the updated custom settings. Now that the foundational preferences are configured, I move to the chat input window to request a beginner-friendly introductory article explaining what ChatGPT is. The system immediately processes the instruction, generating a structured response complete with simple explanations, step-by-step onboarding advice, and straightforward tips on formatting conversations. Next, I want to add a dedicated section highlighting 3 simple example prompts that a beginner can try right away. The assistant updates the content by outputting 3 distinct sample categories focused on simple explanations, creative assistance, and everyday idea generation. Finally, I want to include troubleshooting guidance for situations where an answer might feel too complex or long. I submit the request in the active text area, and the tool generates a clear set of 3 quick tips detailing how to refine answers, request shorter formats, or adjust the overarching tone, giving the user full control over the output style. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.